Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. If you are new to my channel, girl, first of all, welcome to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but put on makeup, try on the latest fashions, and we mind our business. Okay, but if you are a returning subscriber, you know that I try to upload a video at least once a week, girl, okay? Once a week. But since the new year was approaching, I decided to take a little time off and spend some time with my family. I did go to Tampa, Florida. If you guys follow me on the gram, if not, I will put it on the screen so you guys can follow me on the gram. It is also down in the description box below. All of my social media is actually linked down in the description box below, so if you want to follow me, go ahead and follow me. For those of you who do follow me on the gram, girl, y'all know I was in Tampa, Florida, and I was having a good old funky time, okay, eating me some blue crabs and enjoying my new year. I rung in the new year there with my daughter and my dog, and we just had an awesome time. So I am back, and it feels very weird to be filming after I haven't filmed in 10 days. Like, I know I see YouTubers say that all the time, but like, that's real stuff. Like, it really does feel kind of strange being back in my studio and just filming. You guys, I am just realizing that this is my first video of the new year. Like, happy new year, you guys. Like, I hope you guys had a safe, happy new year. I hope you guys got them goals ready. I hope you guys got them resolutions ready, honey, because if you follow me on Twitter, y'all know I've been putting out that bad bitch energy, okay? I have been manifesting and putting out that energy, honey. It's gonna be 2020. It's all about clear skin, good energy, non-toxic people, more money, more opportunities. Girl, hey, I'm claiming it, girl. Hey, I'm claiming it. That's for you, okay? If anybody needed to hear that, that's for you. Anyways, honey, I know you guys read the title of this video, so you guys already know this video is going to be an unboxing of Trendmoods Beauty Box Volume 1, okay? For those of you who don't know, Trendmood, yes, the Trendmood came out with a beauty box. No, it is not a subscription. I feel like this is just a box that she is going to curate every once in a while. And I feel like I like it like that better than a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy subscription where you have to pay monthly. And she also gives insight on what's going to be in the box. Like, she did a lot of sneak peeks, and then at the end, before she released the box, she actually did a reveal where she revealed every single product in the box. And I really like that because I feel like it'll give me a chance to say, you know what, yes, I want this box, or no, I don't want this box. I feel like with subscription boxes, you can't really tell or know what's really in the box. So if it's a dud, you're stuck with the items, okay? And that's what I don't like. So I really like the way Trendmood is doing this box. We'll talk about it in a minute. Run the footage, girl. Okay, guys, so like I was saying, this is Trendmood's very first beauty box, okay? It is actually labeled as Volume 1 because she did say that she was going to come out with many more after this one. And if you guys follow her on the gram or Twitter or anywhere else, girl, you've already seen her sneak peeking products to go in her Volume 2, which is her second box, okay? So look out for that, girl, because I know I am definitely looking out for it. I find that this box is very unique. The fact that it's not a subscription box, like I mentioned earlier. I like how she just sneaks peeks the items and gives us some reveals about what's going to be in the box, allowing you to get a chance to either like take it or pass, you know what I mean? So I really appreciate that. Now let's talk about the price, girl. Okay, the price genuinely shocked me when she announced this box. She priced this box at $39 with free shipping. Okay, so the shipping is free. All you're paying is $39. And when she revealed the products in this box, girl, like, some of these items are full-size items. I can already tell you, like, I don't know the full value of what the box is worth, okay? But I can already tell you, like, the box has definitely already exceeded $39. with like maybe 2 of these products in here already. Okay, so the price of $39 is an amazing price. I don't know if she's gonna keep up that price. I hope she does, okay, but I'm pretty sure the price will go up depending on what products are in there and, you know, if it's a special box or not. But I really did appreciate the $39 price and the free shipping, okay? Also, I did want to mention that this box is not a subscription box, okay? You cannot pay a monthly subscription fee and get this box every single month. I actually don't know the timing of this box, and I don't really think she put that out there either, the timing of the box, meaning when she's gonna launch a box, whether it's gonna be every month or every quarter or every 2 months. Like, nobody really knows. I feel like she's just testing the waters and trying this out, and eventually maybe she will make this a subscription box. But I kind of like this way better because, like I said, it's not something you're taking a gambling on. She's revealing every single product so you know what's in the box, girl, so you can know if you want to either take the box or if you just want to leave it. Also, one more thing to mention before we start, girl, if you guys have not seen the reveal of this box actually has full-size products in there. Okay, now I don't subscribe to anything like a BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I've never been a subscription box girl, but normally when I watch unboxings of those subscription boxes, they're normally like mini size or trial size things. Trendmood actually put some full-size products in here, girl, so that really intrigued me also, and it also really piqued my interest because the price was only $39. And like I said, some of these products in here, girl, are like way worth the value of the box itself with just 1 or 2 items. So that is one of the reasons why I bought this box. I also bought this box because this box does have an item that I wanted to try, okay, and $39 is a good price for getting all of these items and not just paying for one item. So here's the actual box, you guys. It is her signature Trendmood purple color, and it says Trendmood on the top here. This is actually where my address label was, so I just kind of peeled it off there, so don't mind that. But this is how the box looks, just a plain purple box. And I'll actually open it if I can find where to open it, girl. Okay, so right here, opening up this box, I will show you guys what it looks like inside. Now, this is how my box looks like. I don't want anything to fall out of it. And this is just a little scan thing. You can just scan this from your phone, I believe, and it gives you like more information on the products inside of the box. So it looks like it's wrapped pretty good, and it has Trendmood sticker right there. This is how the box looks with the tissue paper open, and it looks like it just has like some brochures in here and some cards about the items that we probably have in here. Yeah, so these are just cards in here that are dealing with all of the items that actually came in the box. So we'll just read off the cards if we have to, girl, okay? I'm really not interested in any cards, girl. I'm interested in what's in this box, okay? First item I'm grabbing out of the box is looks like a sponge. It says the Velvet Sponge by Elsie. I believe the brand is Elsie, and that's how it looks right there. Let's open it up and see. So it looks like a makeup sponge, girl. And yes, it's actually a makeup sponge. And I mean, it's soft, okay? You guys know that I mostly use brushes, but I do use makeup sponges for things. It's very soft, but the shape for me, I don't know if you guys can see the shape there. The shape for me is not desirable. Like, I don't really use makeup sponges with this type of shape because I feel like it just doesn't benefit me. I'm kind of used to just the regular egg shape, or I like the beauty blenders or the makeup sponges that have kind of a split half, so there's like 2 halves, so it's kind of flat, so you can be able to put powder in those areas. I don't really mess with beauty blenders that have like really weird shapes and designs, girl, but I'll try it, girl. We'll try this makeup sponge. It low-key feels like a really good makeup sponge. I like my makeup sponges to be very bouncy and kind of soft, so it feels like a really bouncy and soft makeup sponge. So that's the first item we got there. The next item I'm pulling out of the box, girl, is the Natasha Denona Mini Tropic Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so I'm not sure how much the sponge or this eyeshadow palette is, but I'm pretty sure, girl, we just exceeded $39, okay? I'm pretty sure the value of this box is worth way more than what we paid for it, because everyone knows Natasha Denona is pretty expensive. I do have a mini eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was close to $30. So I feel like with these two items, we have already exceeded the price of the box, okay, which is really good. So like I said, this is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, the Mini Tropic palette. And I'm not going to swatch this, girl, because I'm actually going to include this in a giveaway that I'm doing. Yes, I am doing a giveaway, girl. Look out for the next video. The next video will be on the giveaway, and I am going to include this in the giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch this and like put my dirty fingers all over it. But I will take it out of the box so you guys can see how it looks outside of the box. And this is how it looks. Really, really pretty. It's giving me like spring summer vibes. It has like a green, a blue shimmer, a dark purple. So this is giving me like spring summer vibes, okay, girl. In my opinion, Natasha Denona's eyeshadows are really good. Even the mini eyeshadows, girl. That's why Natasha Denona's stuff is so expensive, because her stuff is really good. So this is a really nice to have, but I am going to include this in my giveaway, so you guys look out for that giveaway video, okay? The next item I have in here I'm gonna pull out is from Bite Beauty, and this is actually a creamy matte lip crown. It says this is how the packaging looks here, and I will take this out so we can see what it is. And you guys know how I feel about lip crowns, okay? In my Morphe surprise box unboxing, I had a lip crown. I talked about lip crowns a little bit. Lip crowns to me are just kind of unnecessary. I feel like I don't need them. I feel like I like liquid lipsticks better. But I don't have anything from Bite Beauty, so I'm kind of excited to try something new. So this is the actual lip crown outside of the box. And it is in the color Pavlova. That's the color there. So it looks like a burgundy red wine type of color. Oh yeah. And that's pretty nice. It has like a little point there. So I'll swatch it so we can see what the color looks like. Yeah, so it's like a burgundy red wine color. Really, really pretty. Perfect for these winter fall months, okay? Next item I have here is from In Beauty Project. I've never heard of this brand before, and it says Glaze #1 Lip Oil in the smell Candy Apple. Okay, so this is supposed to be a lip oil. Let's open this and see what this is like here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Cute little packaging, girl. This packaging is cute. Okay, In Beauty. It looks like caution tape or something, but it says In Beauty. Really, really cute and futuristic, girl. Let's see what this looks like. We'll go ahead and swatch it. So it looks just like a lip gloss, but they're saying that it's a lip oil. So you can't really see it. It has like a light tint to it. Okay, but not much of a color. Girl, and this smells like a strawberry fruit roll-up. Oh my God, I love fruit roll-ups. They are so good. So you know what, girl? I'm excited about this. Like, who doesn't need a lip oil or a chapstick or like a lip gloss, girl? I will take any kind of lip oil or any type of gloss like any day. You guys, okay, so we are down to the final two things in the box. And these two things are the sole reason why I purchased this beauty box, okay? These are the two full-size items that I have been telling you guys about, and they are from Ole Henriksen. Yes, I have been practicing on how to say that name, okay? Because you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been having trouble saying Ole Henriksen products, okay? So these two full-size products are from Ole Henriksen, and the first one is going to be the Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. This is how it looks. You guys, if you guys watched my Sephora holiday haul that I recently done for Sephora's holiday sale, girl, I ended up buying actually their Sea Rush Brightening cream. I don't think it was a double cream. It was the light version, where it's really, really light. I actually bought that and the banana brightening cream in a value set. So it was the smaller items instead of the full size, bigger items, just so I can try and to make sure that I like it before I invest in the full size product. And girl, I love the product, so I wanted to invest in the full-size product, but instead of me investing in the full-size product, girl, I just bought this $39 box in order to get this product right here. Let me tell you guys, this right here is a godsend, okay? I have been using this product under my eyes. It's actually a moisturizer, and this one is the heavier cream. This is the double cream. The one that I have is more of a light cream because I have oily skin, so I feel like I don't like too much of a heavy cream. I'm kind of like a light gel cream. So the one that I have is a gel. This is the heavy one, but I still wanted to try it, okay? That light cream that I currently have, girl, is the bomb. I use it for under my eyes only because you guys know I am so concerned about fine lines and wrinkles under my eye. I feel like I've been getting fine lines and wrinkles lately, so I have been going hard on the eye cream and the moisturizers and everything else that have to deal with fine lines. And this is a product that really helps with the fine lines. It has a nice smell. It smells like citrusy and kind of like orangey. It has a lot of vitamin C and a lot of good products for your skin, girl. Yes! Hey, hey, hey! Last but not least in this box, girl, is another product from Ole Henriksen, and it is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Okay, so this Truth Juice Daily Cleanser says it cleanses and removes makeup with orange fruit water and PHA. It is actually the full-size item, as you can see, girl. Like, so definitely, girl, I don't know the prices of these things, but definitely with these two Ole Henriksen items alone, we have definitely exceeded $39 the price of the box, okay? Even with the first two items, like I said, the makeup sponge and the Natasha Denona mini palette, girl, we have definitely exceeded the $39, so I believe this box was totally worth it. Now, I do see one more item in this box, and it is actually a really cute fortune cookie. Let's open it and break open the fortune. I really like fortune cookies, girl. I'm not like a big fanatic on the lotto numbers because you know how there's like lotto numbers on the back. My dad, he always plays the lotto numbers on the back of the fortune cookie, girl. I don't do that, but I do like fortune cookies. I think they're very fun. So let's open this fortune cookie. It says, Happy Holidays, XOXO Trendmood. So there you have it, girl. Ooh, this fortune cookie is really good. It's a crunchy fortune cookie. Don't mind me, girl. I am a sweet person. I love sweets. I definitely feel like this box was worth $39 and the free shipping, girl. We have definitely exceeded the price of what we paid for the box with these items. Not even knowing the price of these items, girl, I already know, like, we have definitely exceeded that. So was this box worth the monies? Yes, this box was definitely worth your coins. So Trendmood has already revealed one other product that's going to be in her volume 2 box. And depending on the rest of the products, girl, I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the volume 2 also because I just feel like these are really good items. And I also like to try new things. So even if there's some items in there, just like the makeup sponge, you know, that I normally don't use or I feel like, you know, I'm not gonna use, I'm still gonna try it because I'm a Pisces, girl. I'm a type of person that just likes to try new things. Why not? Why not try and branch out with new brands and try out new makeup? You never know, it might become a staple in your makeup routine. Okay, girl? So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, girl. If you want to, girl. If you want to, comment down below. Are you guys going to get Trendmood's next box? Did you already get this volume 1 box? Let me know how you guys like the box and if you guys are going to go ahead and get her next box because I'm going to get it. Look out for that giveaway video, girl. That will probably be my next video that I'm going to film, is my giveaway video because I did recently hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching my channel, supporting my channel, becoming a part of the Pretty Girl gang. Okay, girl. Give this video a like and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.